Good day everyone, my name is Evelyn Emma Cobera from BSIA 1A. And today, I'm gonna share with you my policy proposal called Sustaining Life, a policy for groundwater protection and management in the Philippines. When we think about water, most of us pictures rivers, lakes, or the rain. But there's another hidden source that's just as important, like groundwater. What is groundwater? Groundwater is a water stored underground in the wells or in aquifers. Millions of Filipinos rely on it every day for drinking, farming, and even running small businesses. It literally keeps our communities alive, especially during dry season and drought. That's why protecting our groundwater means protecting our future. Unfortunately, our groundwater is endangered. In many parts of the Philippines, it is being used faster than it can be replaced. Unregulated wells, overpumping for irrigation and factories, and pollution from waste and chemicals are making the problem worse. On the top of that, climate change is reducing rainfall, making it even harder for groundwater to refill naturally. If we don't act now, we could face water shortage, damaged ecosystem, and unsafe drinking water in the years to come. Now, we do have laws like Water Code of the Philippines and Clean Water Act, which manage water use and pollution. But here's the problem. These laws mostly focuses on surface waters only, like rivers and lakes, not groundwater. Many wells aren't even registered. Monitoring is weak, and the charge areas where groundwater refills are not well protected, so the current rules simply aren't enough. That's why I'm proposing a new policy called the National Groundwater Protection and Management Program. Here's what it would do. First, we'll map out all the major aquifers and recharge zone so we actually know where the groundwater comes from. Second, all wells must be registered and monitored to make sure water is used responsibly. And third, we'll protect recharge areas by limiting harmful activities like waste dumping and overdevelopment. Fourth, we'll conduct regular water quality testing to prevent contamination. And lastly, we'll work with local communities, giving incentives for water saving technologies and involving citizens in monitoring and conservation. Of course, there will be challenges. Some people might resist new regulation, thinking it's just another restriction, but with proper education and community involvement, we can help everyone understand that this is about ensuring water for all now and in the future. Funding could also be challenged, but we can address this by creating fair water use fees or environmental funds that go directly to conservation efforts. In the end, groundwater may be invisible, but its importance is crystal clear. If we take care of it today, we can ensure clean water, food securities, and a healthier environment for the future generations. But if we ignore it, the damage can be irreversible. So let's take an action now, protect our groundwater, and in doing so, sustain life for every Filipino. And that's all. Thank you, and may we all work together for a more sustainable future. Bye!